Welcome to the world of wheels in Chicago. We hope you enjoy our next video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gary Weaver. I own this car. We're here in Chicago in the finals. I've owned this car for about 2.5 years. The car was completed 3 years ago, and the car was actually built by Bob McCall of McCall Resto Rods in San Antonio area of Texas. This is about the 36th car that Bob has produced. He specializes in 32 Fords. We were fortunate enough to win, to be in the top 20, which is a prestigious award here at this show. And for people who have never shown here before, we're one of the top 20 cars that have never shown here before. It's a 1932 Ford.
How many hours did it take? How many hours did it take to build?
I don't know the exact hours to build it. It took Bob about 2 years to build the car. How many actual hours, I just don't know.
What size is the engine?
The engine is a Corvette engine built by General Motors, of course. But unlike most Corvette engines, it's all aluminum. It's 454 cubic inches, fuel injected. It's called a ZL1. It's number 45 out of 200 all aluminum engines like that General Motors made. We think it was built, that General Motors built that engine to be in speedboats, racing boats, and that was the lightweight was, important to them. But it runs as good as it looks. It runs like really fast.
And the interior?
The interior is a wool carpet and leather seats. We wanted it kind of basic, all black, wool, high quality wool carpet and leather seats.
And then
the paint job is superior. San Antonio's best painter did the flames and paint job. It's pearlescent paint. The bottom of the car looks just as pretty as the outside of the car, top part of the car. And so the first 5 days that I owned the car, I drove it on the streets, and I did about $2,000 worth of damage to the bottom of it.
How about the interior?
Well, it's just a basic leather and wool carpet interior. There's not much I can say about it.
It looks like a billet steering wheel.
Yes, sir. It's leather wrapped, the steering wheel, and it tilts any place you want it, and it has a vintage air heating and cooling system, and is quite comfortable driving it. So thank you very much for watching this.
Welcome to the US Classic Muscle Cars. Please support us on Patreon. Please enjoy the next video.